Sorry folks, I'm absolutely dying here. It's so hot. My original plan was to come out here after watching Alex over Liberty Rogue Outdoors. What's up, Alex? He had cooked a Cornish hen inside of a Dutch oven on a Cast Iron Wednesday series, and I was telling him that I like to do my Caribbean style with a little bit of jerk seasoning and whatnot, and I was going to do that for you guys today. But it is 44 degrees outside. I've been out here for 25 minutes and I'm soaked, and I'm starting to get a little woozy. So I'm going home. Hope you don't hate me for this. I know you're gonna call me a wuss or whatever, but that's that. The second reason why I was out here today was I wanted to show you guys this slingshot here. So I actually have another channel. I just have one video on it. It's a review on this guy, but this thing is pretty insane, and I'm going to be giving one of these away today. Or anyway, I'm announcing a giveaway on one of these today. So here are the rules if you want to win one of these guys. First rule is you got to be a subscriber and you have to live in North America. So subscriber, North America, first rule. Second rule is I want you to head on over to my other video and just say I'm in. Watch that video. I'll leave the link below. Watch that video on my other channel of the review of this guy and just say I'm in. The second and the third rule, or one of the other rules, is I will choose the winner for the first person who can answer this trivia question. In one of my giveaway videos, I forgot my mess kit and my utensils, and I had to eat a steak. With what technique? I say what the technique is in the video. So I want you to let me know which one, which technique I used. You can write it down right under I'm in on that other video. So, rules one more time. You have to be a subscriber, live in North America. 2, I want you to head on over to my other channel. The link will be below, and watch the one video on the whole channel, which is this slingshot, and say I'm in and the answer to that question. And I will announce the video, the winner, whoever gets it, the first person who announces it on this channel. And a couple days later, I will let them know when it's who got it, and I'll mark closed as soon as somebody gets it. So, that said, if you want to win one of these guys, you have to tell me what technique I used to eat a steak in one of my outdoor videos where I forgot my mess kit and my spoon, my forks and knives. That said, there you go, guys. We'll take a couple shots with this guy. I'll show you what it's capable of, but you'll also see it in that video. But we'll give you a quick look at what we can do out here with it, just real quick. Beautiful. Not a bad distance for this little guy, eh? This thing's a beast. For those of you who don't really know, it's 44 degrees outside today. That in Fahrenheit is somewhere around 107 or 110 degrees. It's way too hot for me to be doing any work, chopping wood and stuff like that. I'm going to go and chill out in my air conditioning. And hopefully we'll be able to get out and do another video soon once this heat wave passes, because this is just ridiculous. So, thanks for watching, guys. You guys get out and explore. Remember the rules. They'll be in the description, and they will be in my... and all the links will be down there. So, follow the rules. Check the links in the description. And... good luck. First person who figures out what technique I used will win this slingshot. I'll send it off to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Get out and explore.